Dreary day, but everything's getting primed. Look at that, so nice to see. White trim. Closets. Guys are working on the doors. Just showing them the progress. Hi. Looking good. Sanding up the vent covers there. Sweet. And I'm working on the steps with Rick. It's nice to see the doors even all primed now. And that's your bathroom door. And then we're kind of hitting a little, just kind of talking about how to handle these weird edges here. And then we also have a weird edge up here. And we're going to pop this board up here on top. Talk to you later.